Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada, Prada. Basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis.
Good morning, y'all. I look a hot mess, but that's okay. That's the point of this video. As y'all can tell by my lashes and by my hair, baby, we need to reset, okay? We need to reduce, reuse, recycle, or we need to do something because this, look at my lashes, y'all. And if y'all see some eye boogers, it's because I just woke up. So be calm, Bria, be calm. But yeah, like, look at, baby, the lashes, the hair is fried, dyed, laid to the side. Literally, babes, literally. But I ain't gonna hold you. It's not early morning, so we're not getting a, you know, whole shebang. It is currently 1:10. I was up at like 8 o'clock. I wasn't up and active, but I was up at 8 o'clock. And then I got back into bed. And I took me a nap because I be bored when I wake up early in the morning. I be so bored. It's just like, what am I supposed to do? So I sit here and I chill, and then I get tired of chilling and I fall back asleep. So, yeah. Okay, for real, we gotta get up because I also have to beat the time for me to go to work. But that's like 2 hours. It should not take me 2 hours to reset. What y'all want to lay down? Come lay down or something. Cause we don't judge on this channel. I know I said I was finna get up, but y'all want to lay down? I made this ain't what you want, I brought the blood. They don't appreciate you. I'm gonna start with the kitchen. I gotta wash the dishes. I've just been letting them sit here for like 2 days. And I was off yesterday. I could have washed them then, but I was busy. That's the whole point of the reset. We watch and we don't judge, okay? What they saying? You're like a bitch to me.
Good off this shit, bro. That shit eat me, bro. For real.
You wanna see a magic trick? Yeah, let's talk about it. Now let's spray the inside and spray the counters. I don't know how to do it for real.
I give the world to make it mine. What you gonna do?
Now this island, babe, she needs some work. So again, we just gonna get her right real quick. The kitchen area is done. Now we gotta move over to the living room, which honestly isn't that bad. The main thing that I want to tackle in this living room is this Christmas tree. And then after this, I really have to wash my hair because it is 2:19 and I have to be to work at 4. So hopefully by the time I'm doing this, it'll be like 2:40 and then I have to wash my hair. By the time I finish washing my hair, it should be 3 o'clock because y'all still got to do the lashes. And then don't mind my nails. I was up like late last night, so bored just doing stuff, y'all. I don't know, because I be trying to like minimize my screen time, so I just be doing stuff, and that was a part of the doing stuff. But I know I sound like a mess, so I don't look too bad. Y'all, okay, don't even. Let's get this living room together. And I'm honestly going to change the vibe, because I'm not really digging the old school no more. Not that it's like, it's just a little boring. So y'all know we're going to go Mariah. Ooh, hold up. Because I might want to listen to the Summer Walker album. Okay, come on, let's lock in. I'm gonna put the ornaments in here. Okay. And if you wonder if I hate you, say you do to make me feel just like what I would do to make life is what I would do to make you feel like it. You mean I'm not into you and with me. No, I'm not too wrong with you. Say you do to make me feel just like it. What I would do to make you what it is I hate you. Oh yeah. Christmas tree is gone.
You trying to see me knock your socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top. Think they got lost. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain. But shit is not a joke. Say she got bitch, your man know. If you don't, what's happening? Cause Don Julio gon' do the trick. Every time nigga lose me, you know that nigga on his mic say shit when hoes was out here fucking bitches on his dick. Cause I be on this motherfucker. She like on my heel. Bottle after bottle like somebody in a thirsty. Search me, big mama, fuck the small talk. What's the worst thing? Bottle after bottle like the.
This is what the outside is looking like, y'all. We came a long way. We got us a clean kitchen. Okay. We got us a clean living room. Okay. And then I got some lights coming for the living room. But then we got the room. Well, the room ain't really dirty. It's just my stuff from the living room. It's in here. Then I need to pick up my camera. Put the shoes up, make the bed, and then I wanted to hang that mirror up. Of course, I got to take the trash out, but yeah, it's okay. Nice little before. And let's give y'all that after. Yeah, that girl room is clean. You hear me? Cute. Got my room kind of coming together. I haven't really showed y'all any new additions, but obviously this is new. She's new. These are new. And this is new. I'm like way behind time, so I need to lock in and wash my hair.
I told me that I let a girl on it.
From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. What's happening? Then put it on the floor, like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Hey, that's all I said. Who is from the branch? What's going on? Pussy good as a only care that about 3 years since I dated you. Love, nothing but love.
I know a nigga who said he got rich off the dope, but I know he be acting a lot. These rappers really nice as hell. I'm a different nigga when I'm pissed off. May say gon' press up on who.
I see some things that you might fear. I'm doing a show, I'll be back. Got the fastest car Zoom. Keep the pistol on my
Yo,
side.
my camera finna out. I'll be back. Yo, I slick forgot about y'all, but this the after. This is the aftermath. I didn't do no bun. I did a ponytail.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Prada, basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother.